Hello everyone and welcome back to Candy Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Philips Saeco Synthia espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the grinder, the one that you see right here. This grinder was not grinding properly at all and it was just seized, and there's a lot of little things. You can kind of see some of that all coffee grounds inside that, clogging up that grinder. Give me 1 second. Yeah, you can kind of see that gunk in there, that old coffee build up in there, and that was all around the entire grinder. So yeah, it was better to just replace it. And now the one that is right here is already calibrated and just ready to grind. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. And right now I have the hot water, so starting with the hot water, we're gonna test this machine out, warm up our cup, make sure it's nice and warm. Perfect. Now we can go back to the regular menu and do an espresso shot. And as you can see, grinder properly, going into the funnel, into the brew unit, and into the spouts. Nice steady flow coming out of the machine, excellent color. And perfect quantity. Bear in mind this coffee is a little bit old. It's the one that we have right there, and as you can see it's not in the bag, so it's a little bit old for sure. Water tank sensor definitely works, and the box of the machine itself are looking great, grinding perfectly fine. And there you have it, the long Saeco Synthia working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Can and Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.